Okay, today is the first day of me rebuilding the Shopify Developer Intern Challenge app. The entire app is an absolute mess. A lot of dependency is completely broken or need to be updated. So the app just does not work whenever you try to do npm run, build, or npmi. It's just so many things that is outdated, and it requires older version of Node, which is not good. So I'm going to rebuild the entire app from the ground up and making sure that everything is in good, neat order. Looking at my old file, there was a whole bunch of the file that was misnamed. Like for example, this one right here. I'm gonna show you what the app looked like in a second. But for now, I'm gonna do. Let me check out main log. So the entire app was an absolute mess. Okay, what does it say? Starting over with front end. Okay, this is the point that I last left off here. So git checkout that commit. Okay, so if you look at that project around that time, what the hell? Git log. Wait a minute, did I starting over? Starting over. Maybe it's the one before. Okay, that was the file. Git checkout. Git checkout. That was when I completely removed everything. So we have to check out to the one before that. Okay. What just happened? Git checkout main. Okay, I think I finally broke something. Let me see if I can open it up again. So if you look at the old app, so that's main right now. Git checkout. Boom. Okay. What? My point is that the entire app before this point was an absolute mess. Git checkout head total one. Let me go back one more time. Okay. Is it change in search? I don't know why it's not showing my old version of the app. That's kind of weird. Let me go pull up my old repo. Commit. Maybe because I deleted the file. Starting over front end, change git back head. I'm not sure. Maybe I deleted a file or something, but it's not showing it here. So git pull. Okay. Git pull origin that commit. Okay, never mind. I guess I don't really know about Git. But my point is that the entire app was originally a mess, and I need to start over and build it again. This is what the app looked like right now. I'm going to go back to main real quick. Git checkout. Git checkout. Git checkout main. Git branch. I think I'm out this branch right now. Git checkout. That is the okay. So that is the branch. What the hell just happened to my repository? ls cd into client. Oh, this is just not updating. That's why this UI is not updating. How do I refresh? Go from disk. Yeah, because my file is a client file here. Okay. Unless this is in the wrong repository, but I don't think it is. What the heck? Project file. Oh my goodness, there we go. So let me go back to my old file, which is git checkout. Nope. Let me go back to my old command. Git checkout, that one. Okay, we go to client, go to source, go to, you see most of this is like mistyped, and a lot of this is not really, it's using an if-else condition to like navigate user to the correct page, which is not really good. You want to use routing for that. You want to use browser router and the correct routing. And I guess I'm not really, I think I was storing the user token, the JWT token inside of local storage. I'm going to try using session cookie or something like that nowadays to make it more secure and better. Because if you just look into local storage, I mean, you can still session cookie, but I'm gonna look into session cookie and other stuff. Um, yeah, let's go back to main. My point is the entire app is a mess. There was just so many stuff in here that is Apple Pay should be in like a different payment folder or something, but it's inside of a home page because that's where I thought it should be. Yeah, the entire thing is a mess. I'm gonna start over. So git checkout out main, and then I'm gonna switch to the branch to checkout because that's where my latest change is right now. And I'm going to what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do npm start and npm run dev. Actually, no, npm run dev. That's gonna be, is anything, there's nothing running on 9000. What are you talking about? Well, if the server is already running on 9000, I'm gonna just start the front end then. Yes. Okay, so this is what the app looks like right now. There's not a whole lot. It took me way too long to get the grid to show up correctly because the grid spacing, it's got to be correct. If it's not correct, it look off. So it took me probably 2 hours to figure out what the now I'm using Mojo now. That took me 2 hours to figure out we don't need this. This is for Microsoft. This is for Internet Explorer. We don't need that. It took me 2 hours to figure out box sizing because when you add padding to the image, right? When you add padding to the column, it will add padding outside of the image of the content. If you enable box sizing border box, it's going to add padding and it's going to resize the content of the image to fit that outer width of the image of the container. So it took me way too long to figure out what box sizing does, and I have to like go back to watch my some of my old Udemy tutorial to figure it out. That was kind of a mess. But yeah, I'm getting back up to speed. I'm probably violating a lot of rules whenever I do this. I'm planning to put my login form and login and register form right here to have it's much easier, and up here will be the search bar. Right now it's red, but yeah, I feel like I'm violating a lot of accessibility rule, but I don't really care because this is kind of like a project just for me and like whoever looking at this project and recruiting me. What just happened? I thought I had. Let me go back to my. See, now everything is just more organized because now if I want to know where my my button is, well, I can just go into here and clap on hover cursor pointer. I don't know why that's not changing, to be honest. Let's see. Yeah, maybe is it because, yeah, okay, now it's changing. Maybe I wasn't selecting the window before, and now I have to reselect it. So that's on hover, that animation works, and then it shows the form as you see. Yeah, this is pretty much the entire app for today, and I'm going to get back tomorrow. Right now, this search bar does nothing. So my goal is to replace the entire backend with Java, but to do that, I need to complete my yeah, that's not here. Okay, let me go back to my other account. But to do that, I need to complete my Java Spring Boot backend course, which is going to take at least another 4 or 5 weeks, especially with schooling starting. So right here, there we go. I am 1% complete, and it's going to take me a while. Yeah. So yeah, eventually I'm going to switch the entire backend out to Java backend and to a Java Spring Boot backend. And I'm going to try to implement Stripe Connect and Elasticsearch for full text search for the search bar. So yeah, goodbye.